today's advanced world, we can access anything at any time. Need to pay your bills? You can pay online. Need to order some food? You can order food online. But can you make money online? Money talks in different ways. Welcome to Money Talk, where we could turn you into a money genius within minutes. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button below. And while you're at it, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more advice here at Money Talk. Now for today's video, I'll be showing you the top 10 websites where you are able to earn some cash. Isn't it awesome? Earning money in the comfort of your own home. The best thing about this is that it can be used as a side hustle. You'd still be earning from your main job with a little cash on the side. This benefits students as well. No need to ask your parents for an allowance if you could just earn it for yourself. Now, there are two separate ways to make money on the internet. We call this active and passive income. An active income is an income that you earn when you work a corporate job or a job that you identify with. Simply said, if you do not work, you will not earn money. Meanwhile, passive income is kind of everyone's favorite type of income. Take this for example. You have an extra house and you put it up for rent. Someone rented this extra house of yours and now you receive extra cash every month because of the rent. You don't even have to work for it or actively get involved with it, but you're still earning. So, let's get started. Starting with number 1, dropshipping. Are you good with negotiations? How about a great influencer for products? Well, in this case, dropshipping helps you sell other people's products for a profit. Basically, you're a dealer in this case scenario. All you have to do is to first set up a Shopify store and link it with Oberlo. Oberlo and Shopify work together in sourcing out individuals who would like to sell their products or things in their stores. These days, endorsing the product through social media like YouTube or TikTok helps you gain more buyers. So following that method may help you sell more quickly. When a buyer is interested and does proceed to buy from you, then you pay the manufacturer. The payment that you will be giving, however, is less than what you paid originally. As the payment is done, then the manufacturer will proceed to ship the item to the buyer. Unlike other websites wherein some dealers have to grab a hold of the product, dropshipping doesn't even require you to even see the product personally. And get this, you can set the price of the product you are selling however you want. Just be sure to be reasonable about that decision. There are actually a lot of YouTube tutorials that could walk you through the whole process of dropshipping. They could recommend you products to sell or methods on how to gain more buyers up until the final process, which is the shipping of products and earning your share. Dropshipping isn't easy as it sounds, but with perseverance, patience, and hope, you may be earning a ton in no time. Let's move on to the second one, which is Fiverr. Well, I'm quite sure that you may have heard of this website somewhere. It's very simple and easy to use, and can surely make you earn money. For those of you who have no clue what Fiverr is, then it's fundamentally a freelance website. Yup, you heard me right. With minimum pay of $5, here you could outsource or contract anything as long as it is legal, of course. Fiverr offers a wide variety of activities like arts and design, social media expertise, and even simple animation edits. Anything that can be outsourced may almost certainly be found on Fiverr. So, if you're down for a little side hustle and want to use your expertise while gaining money, then Fiverr might be the website you need. What if you're an expert in canine behavior or have a loving interest in dogs? Then this third website might entice you. Rover is a dog sitting service wherein you're paid to babysit dogs. What a dream, right? However, this website is only available in the US and Canada. So if you do live in those two countries, give this hustle a try. The salary range may be anywhere between $80 to $100 a night. Doesn't seem like a job at all. Who doesn't want to get paid to take care of dogs, right? The fourth website is takelessons.com. This website pays you to teach any kind of skill. Of course, in this skill, you must excel in it in order for you to also teach other people. You don't have to be a prodigy, but you must be knowledgeable of the basics. This could be any skill you have: dancing, singing, arts, and even academic help like in math. The best skill you acquire might be a skill that someone wants to learn and master. Taking lessons will not only reasonably pay you, but also let you help other people too. How about a skill in photography? Then, the fifth website, Shutterstock, is more fitting for you. This website is where freelancer photographers or just people interested in photography buy or sell electronic media. Electronic media consists of pictures, videos, and the like. If you do have the wits and talent for cinematic photography or any kind of photography, then consider Shutterstock. The platform enables your creations to be purchased by buyers. By that, you are able to gain commission and maybe earn a few dollars. For a tip to earn more here, continue to frequently upload on the site with high-quality creations. That way, you could earn more. Speaking of images, are any of you photographers? If so, then what kind of photography do you do? And for those who are just appreciative of photography, then what kind of photography do you consider nice or your favorite? Comment down below. We want to hear your thoughts, and while you're there, consider subscribing to our channel. Now, back to the video. Now, let me ask you, are any of you great at marketing? Well, showcase your marketing skills on the sixth website, Flippa.com. Flippa is the most popular marketplace for buying and selling products. The platform has a huge buyer base, meaning the chances of you being exposed to buyers is high. Just like eBay, Flippa is considered an auction site as well. Not only does Flippa let you sell physical on-hand products, but you can sell applications or your handmade website. If you didn't know, you could actually sell your apps or websites and gain profit from it. Cool, right? For a buyer, to officially buy the product you are selling, they have to bid first. The one with the highest bid then gets your product. Flippa not only caters to merchants, but as well to ITs or students who wants to gain money on the side. How about I introduce you guys to another marketplace? Number 7, we have ClickBank. ClickBank is a marketplace as well for product creators. The creators offer their services at a reasonable price. Although ClickBank only sells digital products, unlike other marketplaces that sell physical products, it actually earns more than those other platforms. It ranges from 75% to the lowest 5%. But even with that, it still makes you good money. So, you could just head over to ClickBank and start to sell something that may attract. And just your luck, you'll have a buyer in no time. CEO, entrepreneur, born in 1964, Jeffrey Bezos created Amazon. This 8th website could actually help you in earning money. I'll assume that you didn't know that at all. As you all know, Amazon is a platform wherein you could buy any kind of product you want, from makeup to albums and many more. Now, there are actually ways wherein you could be a seller on Amazon. You may first try Amazon MTurk. MTurk outsources individuals who are able to do editing, audio transcriptions, written works, and other tasks and services. Once you offer your service, then you get paid. But it may turn into an active income, especially since some of it may be contracted. Not really interested in that option? Then you can try this second way, Amazon Kindle Publishing. Have a great plot for a book? Then turn that dream into a reality and turn it into an actual ebook that you can sell on Amazon. The best part of this is that you don't need to find a publishing company and you don't need to be a famous author. But the hard part is that you have to compose a book. You may opt to do it from scratch or hire someone to do it for you. There is no fee to pay for uploading your ebook on Amazon, so basically it's totally free. If you're worried about where you could receive your payment, then worry no more, since Amazon has a system wherein they take care of your earnings for you. There are a lot of YouTube tutorials online that will not only guide you with the uploading and selling process, but as well as the writing process. Hundreds of authors have earned up to $50,000 to $100,000 just by selling their ebooks. It really is a good way to earn passive income. The last way to earn in Amazon is through the Amazon Associates program. It's basically you being a dealer again. First is to sign up for the Associates program. Then you can start promoting the different products to buyers. A special link will be given to you by Amazon, and once a buyer will buy a product through your link, then you earn a commission that is anywhere from 5 to 10% of the sale. Take note that Amazon pays you 60 days after the official purchase of the product. Amazon will then either pay you by the choice of how you want to be paid. By that is either through your bank or Amazon gift cards. However, bank transfers are only available to those who are living in America. So, if you are living outside America, Amazon may offer checks or other ways for you to receive the money. Number 9 is YouTube. Yes, you could actually earn from YouTube. If you enjoy uploading videos, then you might want to hear about this. YouTube can make you earn money, but let's discuss how this works and what rules you should abide by. In order to be considered to earn on YouTube, you must reach at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in 1 year. After being eligible to earn, you may earn as much as you want on this platform. A tip to earn more is to create content videos that are long but entertaining. The more viewers you get and the longer your videos are, the higher the chances of you earning more than the minimum. Some people make YouTube as their active income. But if you don't have the dedication to upload daily, then this would be the perfect passive income. YouTube also offers ads and sponsorships. You could earn from those paid sponsorships they offer. You'll need a large audience though to accumulate more money, so you better start now. We'll end this video with another freelancing website. Our 10th and last platform is Upwork.com. What is Upwork? Well, as I've mentioned, it is a freelance website that offers you to post your own services and businesses that you could offer to consumers. There are several offers such as script writing, website developing, programming, and many more. You don't even need to be licensed or to be a professional for this. You just need to be good at this kind of skill. Then you could showcase it to potential clients. To attract more clients, just customize your profile to showcase your highlighted skills or best work experiences. This will help them identify your services better and can give them a good impression of what kind of contractor you will be. Well, that is enough money talk for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below. And want to watch more of our videos? Click the subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified of new videos weekly. Let's learn more about money in simple ways here in Money Talk, where money talks in different ways. Thanks everyone, and see you in the next video. Ciao!